Need a travel backpack that gives you plenty of space without adding extra weight? I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is the Tripped Travel Gear Foldable Backpack, and I have it in tropical blue. So it folds down so compactly, it's easy to slip inside your luggage, and then once opened, it's surprisingly roomy. There are so many useful pockets to keep everything organized and zippers to keep everything safe. Now, for reference here, we were able to carry 2 bottles of wine along with several other items like jackets and still had no trouble fitting everything inside. The material is durable and the straps are comfortable and easy to adjust. Both my husband and I found it very easy to carry this backpack everywhere we went. I love having 2 exterior water bottle pockets, especially for long hikes. So mountainside, beachside, and everywhere in between, this lightweight travel backpack gives you all the space you need with all the convenience you want without weighing you down. And that is my point of view.